Jawdar and Marion continue their journey to the city of Cadembra, searching for the jeweled beautiful princess. They reach a high plateau. It was as if part of the ground had suddenly risen.
This plateau is not found on the map. And there is no way to the top. What do we do now?
There is a path, but it is not for horses. Or for tourists.
You stay with the horses. Can you show us the way? In return, I will not harm you.
You won't hurt us. Who do you think you are? Well, we'll accept whatever you have. Maybe we won't kill you.
I don't like gossip. Where is the way to the top? We will leave our horses in your custody. My horse is dear to me. If you think about taking him, I will follow you to the end of the world for him.
I will not leave my place. I will wait for your return at this place, sir.
Tell me the truth, Marion. Did you intend to fight the Jinn King? And who exactly are you? I have never seen a man take down 30 people in a matter of moments in my life.
These bastards couldn't even warm me up. I don't like those who live by killing the weak. As for the king, this depends on what he wants. My story is too long to tell, so let's leave it for another time. We have another hurdle now. How to get there? You see, I can't swim with this shield on.
Look, there's a boat. We can use it.
Who let you take my boat? Do you intend to steal it?
We don't want to steal it, sir. We just want to get to the island. We did not know that the boat belonged to anyone. We can rent it if you want.
Not for rent. Go away, the island is not for tourists.
We want to go to that island. Either you take us or we take the boat. The choice is yours.
We don't want to fight. We must get to the island quickly. It is a matter of life and death. Please help us.
Okay, I'll give you a ride. But where did you get this sword?
It's a gift from Fairy's friends.
Don't interfere in my fights next time. Otherwise, I will consider you my enemy.
The three of them got on the boat and headed towards the island. On the way, Jawdar told the young man, whose name was Rashid, about the king of the jinn. When they arrived at the island, Marion held the map, looked at the compass, and said,
The compass seems to be broken. Its needle won't stop turning.